Hi, my name's Alexandria Lescavage. I go by Alex. I am currently an income maintenance caseworker for the Northumberland County Assistance Office in Pennsylvania. Before this, I was an intake caseworker for Northumberland County Children and Youth Services for 2 years. Um, During my time with children and youth, I did work alongside a lot of children who had mental health diagnoses and were involved in services, but I didn't really have any involvement in the clinical side of things. With my current job at the assistance office, since I do work a lot with medical assistance, I do work with my clients to make sure that they are getting connected with services and have the insurance coverage that they need in order to be able to get those services. Um, I don't really have any experience with the DSM 5 or with diagnosing anybody or anything like that. Um, but as far as my feelings on mental health diagnoses go, I am a huge advocate for people getting help with their mental health and speaking up if they are struggling. Um, and yeah, I really, really look forward to this class. I think it's going to be interesting.